We are super excited about our latest customer review. We work very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. So, if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.